Hi, this is Dean from Sentinel Soap. In today's video, I'm going to be making some goat's milk soap. I'm going to be making 18 bars of soap, which is 2 loaves. Now in this video, I've added my lye to my batter, and then I've added my goat's milk. But what I think I did wrong was the goat's milk wasn't tempered to the same degrees as the oils, and therefore it went cold too quickly. So my question for the soap makers out there that make goat's milk soap: do you add your goat's milk to your oils before your lye or after? Let me know in the comments below, because I've seen it done both ways and it looks exactly the same, but I'd love to know your feedback. So a few weeks back, a client came to me and said, "Do you have any more goat's milk soap?" And I said to her, "I don't, but I can make you some." She said, "Great." And she didn't tell me how many bars she wanted, so I just went ahead and made all 18 bars. I've recently contacted her and asked her how many bars she would like once they've cured, and she said, "I'll take them all." These are already sold. I love the natural goat's milk soap. I've used it myself. I've even got a few bars put aside, and it always amazes me that this recipe will sell quicker than any other recipe with a fragrance or a color or anything. It's just one of those soaps that people recognize instantly goat's milk is good for your skin. So here you can see that I've got a little bit left over. I did a bit more than what I was expecting to do, and the reason why is because I was going to put a top on both these loaves, but in the end I decided not to, and I just went with putting them into these tiny cavity molds. And just for the record, those 3 are mine. I also wanted to add a tiny little bit of detail on top. I used a bamboo skewer and I just made a couple of swirls, and it made a nice little pattern. So these look great. I'm really happy with the way they've turned out. On camera they look really white, but actually they're more of a creamy color. I did add titanium dioxide, but I think because it's set so quickly that the titanium didn't actually get time to color all the soap. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.